In this video, we're reviewing SimplyFood production. Production covers the process of scheduling, picking, and recording the results of a production run to make a product. Let's review by clicking on the New Production Order tile. Then select the recipe you will be making. You can either type part of the name or select the recipe from the list. If your recipe has multiple revisions, then select the revision you will be scheduling for this production run. If only one revision is available, it will load that recipe. Set the date you plan to schedule this production. Note that the warehouse, location, and unit of measure will default from the item setup. The production area and plan quantity will default from the recipe setup. All of these fields can be changed. The plan quantity in the header controls the plan quantity in the details for each ingredient. If you change the top plan quantity, it will update the quantity of your ingredients. All of this information is used for material demand calculations. Note that the waste percentage will calculate to compute extra material needed as part of the planned quantity. For example, we expect a 5% material waste on our lids. The recipe calls for 6 lids per case. Multiply that times 200 cases, and instead of the planned being 1,200, it is showing 1,260 to include the extra lids that are dropped or possibly damaged in the machine during production. If you are unsure if you have enough availability of any item, then you can open the Component Availability side panel. You can print the pick list directly from the screen, or there is a master pick list available that will allow you to combine multiple orders into one pick. The pick list can also be used to manually record production, and it will also show you any production notes. On the day of production, the user recording the final production would click on the Start Production button. The actual quantity column will populate with the planned quantity, and the system will auto-allocate any lot numbers that have an item setup defined as FIFO, first expired, first out, or FIFO, first in, first out. Both the quantities and the lot numbers can be changed to reflect what was actually used during production. It can also accommodate multiple lot numbers for one component. Confirm and or change the quantities of any of your items. Set lot numbers that have not been defined for you, and confirm the quantities of your non-stock items. Record the final production quantity to yield 202 cases of salsa. Note, this does not change any of the actual quantities that have been set. This will also show your production yield. Review the production pre-post report to ensure accuracy of quantities and cost. Confirm that the lot number for the production item is correctly assigned as well as the expiration date. Then click Release to post the production.